What's happening today is we've been celebrating the opening of the Glenrowan Bridge. We've had Minister King, the Minister for Infrastructure, here to accommodate the opening today and celebrate it with us, which is fantastic. And that demonstrates the importance of this milestone for inland rail here in Victoria.
Inland rail is a really important project. It's a really significant part of changing the way freight moves around Australia.
Double stack freight trains are so important to Australia to reduce the number of trucks on the road, get a more efficient freight network from Melbourne to Brisbane, and also improve the sustainability footprint of freight movement around Australia. The investment in local communities is critically important to the Inland Rail project. It is a regional project. We want to involve regional businesses and regional people. On this project to date, there's been over 40 million spent with regional businesses. 176 regional businesses have been involved in this project. So we're very proud of that. Over 700 people have been involved in Tranche 1, which is fantastic, and most of those people have come from regional Victoria. The bridge in Glenrowan has been designed to integrate with the community assets, in particular some of their heritage sites. So it's going to provide better accessibility for members of the public and the local community to those facilities. It's also a really important step change in terms of safety. We've been able to separate cyclists and pedestrians from the live traffic, so it's a really important asset for Glenrowan.